Stag leap is a fairly generic term, and it can be a double stag, an arabesque stag. Some will refer to them as having passes or attitudes. It depends on your instructor or choreographer. The premise of it, though, is basically think of like a deer jumping. In one option, you can do an arabesque with your back leg, so it's extended straight, and your front leg pulls up to what could be a fairly tight passe position, or it could be done in an attitude, so it's a bit more open. Another option is you bend the back leg into either a tighter passe position or an attitude, and both legs are bent then. The front leg would be the same as the first option. Now with this, you can either perform them parallel or turned out, and so there are different options. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about hitch kicks. I will see you then.